Well, we have already prepared the chicken. Now we are going to grate the onions, 3 onions. We put the oil in the pan. Okay, like this is fine. And now we put the onion. We have to fry them well sauté, like this, like this. A pinch of salt. We have to move it to don't get burned, otherwise it doesn't taste good. A little bit of chicken bouillon. Now we move to don't get the onion burned. A little bit of nutmeg. It's essential to have the croquette flavor. Good, like this. Now we put the flour. More or less what we see, taking in consideration the onion, you have to move well to don't get burnt and the flour don't get raw. Good. Well, the flour is getting brown with the onion. We put a little bit of butter, stir well to everything taste good. Now, very good. Now we put the chicken that was already minced. You have to stir well to don't get lumped. Like this. The meal, you put more or less what you see. Well, what the pan and this needs. Stir and stir until you get a good dough. Something that after we do the croquette doesn't well cook and don't get very light because otherwise they will collapse. A little bit more of flour because they are getting light. Stir and stir and they are almost ready. Good, like this. Wonderful. Now we put it in a platter, we let it cold, and where they are well cold, we can start to work with them. Now we put a dish on the platter and we put it in the fridge for 3 or 4 hours. Now we get the dough from the fridge and get some fridge. We get some dough and we put it in the egg. We have to impregnate them well in the egg and after put it in the breadcrumbs. And this way they will be very good and very tasty. To my grandson loves them. He says that they are the best. We put the oil. We are warming the oil because with the cold oil they get collapse and not good. Now we put the croquettes on the breadcrumbs and when we have 8 or so, we put it in the pan. Look, we start to fry, and be careful that they don't get burned. They have to be brown. With a fork, we can move it like this. Wonderful. Well, wonderful. They are so tasty, so tasty. Come on. Now we get a fish slice when they are already fried. This way they don't get too much oil. Wonderful. We dim the fire a little bit, this way it doesn't get burned, and after that we put it in the dish. Wonderful. And we are already finished. I hope you love these ones. Okay, goodbye. We would like you press the like button and share it with your friends in the social networks. Bye. Very thank you.